One of my secrets to growing long hair is using herbs. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my recipes. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, do consider watching the video to the end. Cast all your anxieties on the Lord because he cares for you. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. Our first ingredient for today is cinnamon. Cinnamon can help increase blood flow to the scalp. It helps promote hair growth. Cinnamon antimicrobial property can reduce scalp infection and fight dandruff. Cinnamon can be used as a natural conditioner. It adds shines to hair and softens the hair. Cinnamon can also help in hair loss. So this is the up close look of the cinnamon, just in case you don't know what it looks like. It looks like a stick. It can also come in a powder form, just in case you don't see the stick. You can also make use of the powder form. You can equally blend it. Our next ingredient is clove, a whole clove. If you've been on my channel, you know that clove is an OG in this channel. It has been used in so many recipes for hair growth. Cloves is excellent for growing out the hair. It circulates blood to the scalp. Cloves contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help prevent hair loss and premature growing. Clove can strengthen the hair follicle and reduces hair fall. It promotes thick and healthier hair. Clove water can maintain clean and healthy scalp. Our other ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is another OG on the channel. I have used it in so many recipes. Rosemary can circulate blood to the scalp. It reduces dandruff. It enhances new growth. It fights scalp inflammation, scalp infections, dandruff, itchy scalp. It also reduces breakage. Our fourth ingredient is aloe vera. Just to show you guys everything we'll be needing, I will put the aloe vera by the side and then I will go ahead to add hot water into the herbs first to give it time to infuse. That is exactly what I will be doing here. Then I will go back to wash and prep the aloe vera. I'm going to allow this to sit for the following day before I use it to give it enough time to properly infuse. But if you're in a hurry and you need to use it immediately, just go ahead and boil it. While the herb is by the side infusing, let's go ahead and prep our aloe vera. So if you've not used aloe vera before, or you think you are allergic to aloe vera, soak it for at least 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes before you use it, so it will remove all the chemicals inside of it before you go ahead and use it, so you will not react to it. But for me, I have been using aloe vera. I started by peeling the back of the aloe vera to review the inside, which is what we'll be using. So gently go ahead and peel it, or you can cut it in between and then just use a spoon to scoop out the gel, or you do it this way. I find out I think it's easier to do it this way instead of using a spoon to scoop it, but nevertheless, do whatever you feel is best for you. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E, as well as vitamins like calcium and potassium, which can help stimulate hair growth. Aloe vera contains antioxidant property that can help reduce hair fall caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. It can also soothe the scalp. Aloe vera conditions and moisturizes the hair. After peeling the back of the aloe vera, the next step is to blend it. But what is going to happen is that we are going to blend everything, both the herbs. I need you to know that this is after 12 hours. It is around 8 p.m. in the night. I am just going to blend this up and then leave it till the following morning, because I'm not going to use this and go to bed and stay in the bed. So after blending it, I'm going to pour it back into the jar and let it sit to the following morning before I use it. This is exactly what it looks like after blending it. Now I'm going to keep it. This is the following morning. This is what it looks like. It has even further infused. As you can see, our liquid is even darker. So now I am going to strain it and show you guys how I use it on my hair. I'm going to strain it straight into the spray bottle with a cheesecloth. I hope me leaving it the following morning didn't confuse anybody. Let me just briefly explain the process. You will just infuse your herbs, blend your aloe vera, mix everything together and apply it into your hair. That is basically what I did. But me, I have to use it in the morning. That is why I left it to the following day. But you can as well go on and use it immediately. So this is how I use it in my hair. Let me first show you guys what my hair looks like before I begin to apply. My hair is dry. I put my hair in a chunky twist, but it is dry now and I need to moisturize it back. This is what I usually do to my hair when I am not ready for a protective style. So I started by spraying it into my scalp and then massaging it. At a point, I realized that nah, this is not going to do it for me because my hair is dry and I need to get this liquid as much as possible. So I decided to do it a faster way, but a lazy way. You know, that is me. I always do easy things. So I decided to just go ahead and pour everything on my hair instead of using a spray bottle to spray it little by little before I saturate my hair. I decided to just pour it on my hair like I always do. So that is what you see me doing now. I'm just turning everything on my hair and then I'll go ahead and massage it into my scalp. You can use your spray bottle if you have all the time in this world, but if you notice my hair is kind of thick, so for you to be more effective I have to do it this way to be able to get as much liquid as possible into my hair. After applying and massaging it, when I'm sure my hair has been saturated, I go ahead and strain out the excess water by using a t-shirt and tying it all over my hair to strain it out. Now I have strained out the excess water from my hair. It is time for me to go ahead and moisturize, and I'll be using only butter because the aloe vera inside the mixture has already conditioned my hair. So all I need now is just a butter to seal it in. You can now join my membership to gain exclusive access to membership shout out, photo and pictures updates, membership only chat room, discount merchandise, membership only videos. This and more are what you can have access to once you join the membership. Shout out to my amazing subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe. Leave a comment. If you have a question, please do not hesitate to drop your question. I'll be pleased to answer you. Also, watch this video to the end. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. This is a reminder for the natural hair girlies out there who hasn't moisturized their hair today. Go ahead and moisturize your hair. Remember that whatever you put in work, you are definitely going to see the results. And we have come to the end of this video. Do have a lovely day and see you in my next upload. Bye bye.